most of my life, in my head, has been a really dark place to be, and I think that's why I connect with those gothic type elements that one would normally consider dark. You know, I think we're drawn to things that we feel are familiar, but we also are drawn to things that are very contrasting to our nature. And I also am very much inspired by things that are sparkly and fun and happy, girly and romantic, basically all the things that I'm not. I think that's what draws me to them. Balancing those two things, the dark and the light, is it's a harmony that happens, and they balance each other out, and they just work so well together because they are just, you know, so drastically different that it just works. It balances out, it makes the world right, and it makes everything make sense for once. And that is how I am myself, and my most authentic artist that I can be is by just being true to that. Authentic never goes out of style. It's always a good look. Authentic living is a choice that you have to make, just like getting up every day and making your bed or eating breakfast is a choice. You have to listen to your gut. You have to go with what makes you feel like you are being true to yourself.